Welcome back, guys. What's up? This thing might be a chill bag today. I didn't get a box for this wig. I got the bag in there, a drawstring bag, and all the stuff that would be in the box is in the DHL bag here. I wish I got a box. So this is from Ali Grace. We're working with Ali Grace today. So before we jump into the hair, let me tell you what I got in the rest of the package. So I got this tail comb. For some reason, I don't know. I have so much tail combs, but since recent times I can't find all my other tail combs. But so this is gonna come in really handy. I got that, and then I got this little bag with stuff in there. So I got this like little information booklet thing. Oh, it opens out. How to care the hair, all that good stuff. Their social media, you know, so that's pretty cool. It's all branded and stuff. I got this really nice little headband. It's neon orange. That should come in handy. Really love that. Ooh, they sent me some 3D mink eyelash. Well, it says 3D eyelashes, didn't say mink. So I got that, and you know I can't do it without my wig cap. Even though I have like 100 of these now stored, like that is no lie. Like this is the hair that we're working with today, and let's go. So this is a loose wave wig that we're working with. Has a bit of information on the bag. It's 150% in density and it's 22 inches long. All other specifications and the direct link to this wig will be in the description box, so check that out. Always up for a really nice deep wave wig or hair texture. This is really nice. So this is how it looks for the inside. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps. So that looks pretty good. It is pre-plucked, but I'm going to have to go in a little bit more, pluck some more from the front here. And we're gonna jump into just installing this gorgeous wig.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line.
Today I feel like I want to do like baby hair action. Like I know I always do a little swoop, but I don't know. Let's see how I feel by the time I reach that part though. But like, I don't know if I want to do a part. But let's go ahead and focus on the installation. So yeah, the ear portion is a little long for me, as you can see. So I need to cut off.
In New Orleans, watch I look. I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand am I put 2 in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh,
so today, before I move on, before I proceed to cutting off the extra lace, what I want to do is get the lace super melted. So I'm going to actually tie down the area before I proceed to cutting off the extra lace to further help to sink in the lace even more in the scalp. So I have an elastic band, a long enough elastic band that I want to use. So I really feel like that helped to press it in even more. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I'm going to proceed to cutting off the extra lace. Now that I've done that, that's just a little extra step that you can probably try out to help to further secure the wig. I like to cut it in sections like this because it makes it easier to tear it, not tear it, to cut it off.
I just want a bag, like a old lady.
I'm going to just take out the portions that I want to do my baby hair with.
Grinding like a pro skater, baby mama bugging. I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed. I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up.
I'm gonna take my hot comb and my hair wax. This helps to just lay everything really flat.
Know what you after, okay? They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Try your best not to burn yourself, okay guys? This is really hot. Now that I cut that off, I'm gonna move on to laying these swoops. But let's call them swoops because I really don't always like using the term baby hair. I'm gonna be using my Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming mousse, and this will just help to achieve a softer look at the end as opposed to using Got To Be. So I'll do it like section at a time and not everything, since we use the freezing spray. We don't want it to lift because if you let this mousse sit on the lace for too long, it will start lifting. You don't want it to. I do it in section by section to kind of have a little bit more control over what I'm doing.
Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Guys, I went on Instagram and I saw this Insta, which is so bomb. I don't know if you guys can pick up the baby hair. The baby hairs were so extra and I really felt like I just got so inspired. Hairstylist was slayed by Jordan. That's his name. He's very talented. It's very extra and unlike what I would normally do. So
I just want a bag, like a old lady.
I'm just gonna tie this down while I go ahead and get while I go ahead and get glammed.
You know I'm grinding like a pro skater, baby mama bugging. I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed. I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up. I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat.
I went ahead, did my makeup. So as you can see, I added some more wrap strips because I kind of added some mousse. I wanted everything to lay really flat going back. So what I'm gonna do before I even unravel I'm sorry for the background noises, by the way, guys. I'm really sorry. It's a busy day, so a lot is going on in the house. But this is deep wave, as it says. So it's like really like loose deep wave. So I'm going to like add mousse and water to this. So what I have here to put in the rest of my hair, I'm going to be using some more of the Lotta Body mousse, some of the Lotta Body Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion and water.
Get hit in my section at 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor, tryna stack my money up. Cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and just use my little comb to comb out the swoop. That looks good. This is exactly why I wanted to pull the hair back, because I wanted the edge action to be like the main focus of the look. I love this. I love this, guys. I was so scared to do the swoop, but like, look what a little inspiration can do. Like, what? In terms of melting in the lace more, that step that I took to kind of take the elastic band before doing any of the edges, like, it really helped to like press it in, and there's absolutely no parting. Like, what? I love this. I know some people's not gonna be for this because it's bold. I know it's bold, but I like it. This is so gorgeous. I like the loose wavy vibe. Now let me know what you guys think about this down below. Shout out to Ali Grace Hair for this bomb wig. I'm going to drop the link where you can go ahead and get this down below in the description box, so go ahead, check that out, all the specifications, everything like that. You can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, any other necessary links I'll drop it down below. And that's it. Oh, and I'm wearing the lashes that I show you guys that came in the package. I'm wearing the lashes. Like, it's really nice. I'm about to go ahead and take a picture. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumb up if it was informative, if you liked it. Don't forget to drop your video suggestions down below as usual. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Drop some challenges as well. So I'm gonna be done with the rambling now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself. Bye.